Okay, I think we have to start it. Yeah, okay. So let me explain it again. We have to like this. Okay. 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 So yeah. Hey there everyone. Welcome aboard to one of the thrilling event of the year, Hack Odisha 3.0. Hack Odisha 3.0 is India's one of the largest student-run hackathon, sponsored by Quine, Fasten, Algogenit, and Algoverse. It is also supported by many of the great tech communities across India. More of which you can check out on our website hackodisha.tech and on our socials @webbizNITR. So yeah, before starting with today's session, I would like to shed some light on Quine. Quine is a great platform which has helped many beginners to get into open source. It helps coder to find and improve their GitHub profile basically. Apart from this, Quine has many and many more features. So to know more about it, I would like to introduce the man of the today's session, the speaker, Mr. Jay Sadhana. He's community ambassador at Quine and also a tech enthusiast. Jay has many more achievements in the field, and yeah, Jay. So I would like to pass on the mic to Jay, and let's start this session.
Sure. Thank you for inviting me for the workshop. So before I start, I would like to ask some a normal question that I ask from everyone, each and everyone. So um, just type in the chat audience that for you, like what comes in your mind about open source. Just tell me like what comes, like anything. It can be anything. Like don't Google it. Just like when you think the term open source, what comes in your mind? Just type in the chat. You can unmute if you can. Else you can type in the chat. I am
Yeah,
eagerly.
Jay, it will be like better if you guys can raise your hand, and we will let you speak. Chat is currently disabled for the audience.
No worries, that also work. You can raise your hand. I would like to have a good friendly conversation with you all so that I'll be telling you what are the features and all everything. We'll start from scratch, I'll go to advance everything. So a simple question for you, what is open source? Come in the chat or come in the as your organizer said, the raise your hand and I will like to listen your thoughts.
Yeah, man. You can move it.
Everyone you can raise your hand, you can just tell like what is open source.
Just raise your hand, guys. Our team will unmute you, and you can speak. Yeah. Okay. Any one of you guys? Anubhav, if you want to speak.
So, am I audible?
Yep, go ahead.
So, I think open source is a source like from which everyone can get any kind of inspiration for their codes, or like which is open to everyone. That
Hmm.
is what comes to my mind.
Okay. Nice thought. Okay. What else? Anyone else who would like to speak? Don't feel shy.
सर
Just speak.
सर मैं आई एम ऑडिबल
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि ओपन सोर्स एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन रहता है जैसे कि किसी ने अपना कोड को ओपन सोर्स अगर रखा है तो वो कोड को हम बाद में मॉडिफाई भी कर सकते हैं और वो फ्री टू यूज रहता है
Hmm. Good. 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 Anyone else? Don't feel shy. Just like speak. I would like to make it the workshop more interactive.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, according to me, open source means making contributions, be it small or be it large.
Hmm.
Suppose we are using any website and we find that there is some issues or we need a feature in that website. So we
Hmm.
can basically contribute in that website
Hmm.
regarding which feature we want to add and what issue we want to resolve.
Hmm.
Also, for me, open source means a great platform where we can learn publicly and also we can improve ourselves.
Okay. Okay. Nice thought. Anyone else who would like to speak? Feel free to speak. No worries. You can speak in Hindi, English. I understand both. Don't worry. Feel the workshop like a comfortable thing. I would like to have a good conversation with you all. Don't worry. Anyone else who would like to raise your hands? I'm waiting. I would like to know your thoughts.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. According to me, like open source, we can say it's any piece of software or anything that we use. Means whose code is entirely available on the internet and anyone can inspect or modify it. And the main thing is you can enhance it according to our needs and uses.
Mhm. Good. Perfect. Okay. So before I start, as like everyone has told about something about open source, someone is saying that it's an inspiration, someone says it's free to use, someone is saying it's for contribution. Okay. Someone I think so has said about teamwork. Okay. So I'll say open source in 3 to 4 terms. Okay. Including what you all have said. Okay. First is contribution. We all contributed. Second comes with collaboration. Collaboration comes in terms of team, like we collaborate to make a project, okay, which is open source. Third comes with learning, okay. Whenever you code in open source in any of the repo, you learn something, okay. Learning is the most important phase that I see in open source. The last and the most important factor I say is networking, because you network with people, you network with different project owners, you network with various, like, the people or the team you are building or solving such issue. Okay, so 3 4 major things I say are the important things in open source. Okay, so let's get started about what is Coin, how Coin is using, like what is the use case. Okay, so before I start, I'm sure that everyone is able to see my screen. You can just raise your hand. I'm able to see. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So if you see over here, so Coin is here to make the developer experience more good. As like everyone uses GitHub, just raise your hand. Like everyone has no GitHub, has used GitHub in past or currently using. Just raise your hand. Those who know GitHub, those who know GitHub, like for open source, like everyone knows. Like you can raise your hand. I want to make it more interactive. Just raise your hand if you know GitHub. Okay. So basically, as you all currently know, that GitHub has recently changed its UI UX little more good and advanced. Okay, the same way, Coin has built a platform to build and monetize your developer reputation. Okay, so what is developer reputation? Okay, so developer reputation is like in-house algorithm that whenever you code in any open source repo or via GitHub or via Coin, so you get dev rank. Okay, so that dev rank is like a rank in the whole open source thing. Okay, like you can do compete with others, you can see what is new in open source, a lot of things. Okay, so let's get started. So I think so, many of you have might visit the site. Okay, so I'll go to sign in. Okay, after going on sign in, the dashboard will come of the contribute thing. So before that, I go with the site and all. I would like to know, like on GitHub, what sort of issues or what sort of code you do. You can raise your hand. You can speak. Feel free to speak. I would like to know, like what sort of code you do. It can be anything. Either you are using C or either you are using machine learning. It can be anything. Just speak or raise your hand. I would like to know, like what sort of code you upload on GitHub. You like just see like on GitHub. Don't feel shy. Just speak, or you can just write if you are able to write. Just like speak like what sort of code you do. Okay, Python. Okay, what else about Python? Anyone else about on Python? Anyone else? I'm still waiting and waiting for a good response. HTML, CSS, JS. Perfect. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yep. C++. Perfect. Anyone else about a Python, HTML, C++, JavaScript? Okay. Python. Okay. Okay. MySQL. Okay. MongoDB. Nice. Anyone else? They're like, I'm seeing there's a lot of audience over there. Don't feel shy. I'm just a simple question. What sort of code you do on GitHub or upload projects in which programming language? No, you can spam, guys. No worries. I appreciate spamming, like to make it more interactive. Just write it. Okay, full stack and app developer. Nice, Anshul. Nice. I like it. Okay, C++. Someone. Nice. Anyone else? Yes, I've seen your skills, Anshul. Thanks for telling a lot of in more deep. No worries. Okay, anyone else apart from Anshul? Like Anshul, Aman, Abhishek, a lot of people have written. So just type, or if you want, you can unmute your mic. Anything will be preferred. Okay. Okay, Node.js, Express, React, nice, perfect. Haven't started coding on Git. No worries. Professor, in which year you are? Like second year, third year, first year? You are like a beginner level coder, or like you have, okay, you're a first coder. So I prefer you can start learning Git from scratch, because that's the most important thing, using GitHub. And start using any programming language, because I think that will help you to understand the Coin platform. And one of the major important things that I'll be covering over here, that will help you to earn money in open source. Actually, you can earn money on Coin. Okay, I'll be telling that those things. That's why I'm asking. Okay, so okay, C sharp, ML, Python, nice, 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 perfect. So let's continue, guys. So let's take an example from here, Python. Okay, so I go to the contribute thing. If you're able to see my screen, from here I choose a language. For example, Python. Okay, I choose a Python language. Now you will be seeing that this feature is already in GitHub by doing manual search. So what Coin is doing? Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay, so what Coin is doing is like, whenever you find any issue on GitHub by searching Python or by seeing stars, what GitHub does, it gives you millions of repos of that particular language. But which repo is good for contributing, that GitHub does not tell you. It tells all the open source repos which are being published over there. But what Coin is doing, using our algorithm, Coin is only taking those issues which are on beginner level issues, or you can say good starter concept issues. Okay, where people or the developers can contribute in any of the repos and all. Okay, so if I say I added Python, now I write machine learning. I think many of you might know machine learning. Okay, so if you see, it has again filtered out the repos which are on the basis of machine learning. Okay, a lot of repos. If you see, you can contribute. You can see the hover over here. That what is the PR response time? It tells that how much time it takes for a particular project owner to reply you back. All time contributors, you can see the tags he has mentioned, the issues. In issues as well, we also do the same thing. That if, for example, it's written 150 issues over here, okay, but below that you're not able to see all issues. So what our algorithm do, like it also select those issues which are based on beginner friendly thing. Okay, so don't worry, it's not like you don't contribute on Coin, but you contribute on GitHub, you will get your Dev rank. Okay, Dev rank is calculated across your GitHub. Okay, this is just a way to leverage your open source experience. Okay, so if I say I have go to contribute, so now let's go to the next part. That is maintainers. Okay. Earlier it was known as creators corner. Okay. If you see, like many people are adding their own projects to get it showcased, people like, people comment over here. Okay. So I'd like to know like what sort of projects you are looking forward to build in the hackathon. Just type in the message. I'm looking forward to hear. What sort of projects, what sort of ideas you have in your mind? You can type anything. It can be anything. Game. What sort of game, Manish? Yes, Aditya. Go ahead. Okay, e-commerce website. Nice. Anyone else? About what sort of ideas? Calculator, IQ type. Okay. Okay. So that sort of game you are looking forward to make. Anyone else? What sort of projects? I have an idea to make a community for all developers. Nice. A resource-based site or app where you can provide all sort of details with app, Discord bot. Nice. What sort of Discord bot? Like something which is there in the market or something out of the box? Is asked to use past information. Okay. E-commerce and chat app. Okay. Anyone else? Food ordering website. Perfect. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Anyone else? Epidemic control. Nice idea. Price tag comparison. Okay. Got it. Anyone else? What sort of projects we are building? Because I like people who build projects. Just type in the chat. Hmm. Good, Manish. Good idea. Anyone else? Drones for industrial maintenance. Nice idea. Out of the box. Honestly speaking, it's the need of an hour right now. In industrial use case. Honestly speaking. Anyone else? Quiz app. Okay.
Yeah,
Digital.
guys, you can raise your hand and also speak up if you want to.
I want to make it more interactive. I would like to know what sort of projects we are building. Then I'll be telling you the maintenance part and one of the crazy challenge that we have with the Hack or Disha, where we will be giving some $100 racket and all to the top 4 to 5 teams, depending upon minimum one and what's the maximum limit, Prasad, of
Yeah,
your team. What's
yeah, people can make a team of four at max.
four? So minimum one, maximum four.
Yeah,
So each team member will be getting the kit and so 4 to 5 teams will be receiving the swag kit, each and every team member. Okay. So, okay, nice idea. I don't need. Okay, okay, nice idea. Okay, perfect. So now I'm telling you how to add projects. What's the maintainer section? What we do. Okay. I liked a lot of ideas, a lot of things I liked about. Okay. So when you open Coin, you go to contribute. After clicking on contribute, you go to maintainers. Okay. After going on maintainers, you see there is an option of add repo. You click on add repo. You have option of either connect your personal account, which is like connected by default, and other is you can connect your organization account. For example, if you are having some organization account, you can also connect that and upload your repo. I go to personal account. I have made some demo repos to just showcase in the workshop. So I say I have this demo repo. In this demo repo, I say that here is that a lot of things I say about the stars, open issues, and all. I make a comment. This is my project. Anything you can write, okay? And then that feedback is welcome. And I click on submit repo. After submitting the repo, a page like this will occur. Maintainer starts, okay? And the this I just uploaded right now, okay? So this is the link that you can submit to your to your organizers so that after that we'll be judging your ideas and all. This is a simple step that you first make the repo on GitHub, then you come to Coin and on maintainers you upload your your good repo over here. But when you upload, ask each and every team member to upload so that we can cross verify your team details and everything. As we'll be shipping the price to the whole team, so it is considered that all team members should upload their project from their end on Coin, so that for the pricing, so that we can give you the swacket, and I can show you the T-shirt I have with me as well. If you can see over here, guys, I have one of the T-shirts I got from UK. I have a lot of things. Plus, I have some stickers as well. I'll be having some, each kit will have around 10 15 stickers. Okay, caps, a lot of things will be there. So this is about like how we add a particular project. Now comes with the Dev rank thing. Okay, if you see that my rank is 424. Okay, so if you see there is one person who has a Dev rank of 27W192. Okay, we have from Quest as well that I'll be covering soon. What is the Quest thing? Okay, so on Coin, it calculates the Dev rank based on all GitHub. Okay, in overall whole GitHub, you will get your Dev rank, whatsoever contribution you've done, what sort of projects you have built, what sort of impact you've created in open source. You get your Dev rank over here. Okay, and you can also compete with other people over here that what's your ranking. The more Dev rank you have, the higher rank you have. Okay, and you can also filter out based on your language, that in your language where you are, and based on that you can improve yourself. Okay, so this is what the Devrank. Why I'm telling you about Devrank thing, because this is the way we are giving the reputation to the people in open source. Okay, because when you add any project or do any contribution, GitHub never gives you any reputation. He They will give you some badge that you can only showcase, but over here you can showcase your things. Now come with the most exciting part, that is monetize. Okay, again one question I would like to ask: do you want to earn money in open source? Just say yes or no. Do you want to earn money? Like if open source is getting monetized, do you want to earn money? Because at the end, developers like you would like to do. Obviously, yes. Okay. The spam it if you would like. I would like to see the reactions. Anyone else? Because now it's time for monetizing, but because open source is never monetized, but we are here. No. Okay. I would like to know, Dari Praveen, for what you would like to do. No. Okay, I like one question I would like to ask. Someone write no. So for that, why no? Because if open source is getting monetized at the end, so it will be beneficial for everyone. Because if you are getting paid by open source organizations, some huge organizations, then that's a very great thing. We think for the students, because by adding projects and all is a good thing on GitHub. But monetizing is also a nice thing. Okay,
I guess he meant to say why not.
okay, why not? Okay, someone said open source should be free for all. Okay, I'll say open source is already free for all. Why not corporates come over here, give you the bounty, you solve it, and in per issue you earn $200-300. Why not? It should be monetized. That's my main question is was like Adari Praveen said, the open source should be free for all. Yes, open source is free for all, but monetizing part is here where developers want to earn real money. Because I say one line in all my workshops: every person don't get internship. If there is a batch of 100 people, not 100 people will get internship, but those 100 people are eligible for the monetizing part. Because if you code well, you know what you're doing, you are eligible. I seen on my workshops. That's why I ask why not monetizing. Because open source is free. We upload projects, you are contributing over here. But in monetizing, there are like a lot of open source organization, US based, which pay for solving per issue. Okay. And if you are getting paid, I think it's a very good thing. Yes, but I know would be like donation based or sponsored. Bounty, yes, it will be kind of bounty only, but there'll be a lot of organizations because we want to make it monetized at the end. Because um, then what's the perspective of open source? We are doing code, we are adding up projects. Okay, what else? Why not? You should showcase on your CV when your for example, I say I have solved one bounty. Okay, I got selected based on my Dev rank. Okay, I done that. I got paid. Why not adding that in your CV? That will impact in your in your future scope as well. Because solving an issue is not about bounty thing. You can also add in your CV. Just think of a larger perspective. How open source bounties can be done. So if you say, like if you go to Google Summer of Code, Google Summer of Code also pays you by solving issues or working in the project. Though it's also open source program. If you might know Summer of Bitcoin, It's also kind of open source program where you go and solve. Over there, you also get stipend and all. So I encourage. It helps in every way. People have different mindset. Yes, it's free and all, but I say if you want to explore yourself, you want to showcase yourself, do go and give it a try. Why not? Everyone wants to, like, at the end everyone wants to earn money, honestly speaking. And if you are getting a platform, you should come here and do it. So over here, if you go with the monetizing part, it is named as Coin Quest. Now you will seeing that in Coin Quest in ledger board, why I was telling about the coming soon thing. Okay, so when you go to monetize, right now it's on the waitlist thing. You can just click on the waitlist. There is a type form. If you're able to see, are you able to see the type form? Just raise your hand, or organizers, are you able to see the type form? Able to see the type form?
Yeah, Jade.
Perfect. So in this type form, you can fill, and based on the dev rank, coin will get back to you, and based on that, you'll be getting the quest thing, and that then you can just start filling your and doing more and more development. Okay, so this is about the monetizing part that we have launched. Okay, if you want, you can read the FAQ section of how actually monetizing works, the quest thing. Okay, we have written, the team has written all things. Okay, so how it was selecting and all everything. Okay, so the adverts in the early stages. Soon it will open for everyone, that everyone can come and you can contribute. Now comes with that the Devrank thing. I want to ask one thing. Just log in on Coin once and just tell me what is your Devrank. I'm very excited to know your Devrank. Don't worry if you have zero. I appreciate it. I appreciate. I'm here to help you so that you can start contributing as well. It's not about the monetizing part, but a separate thing. Just log in on Coin. Okay, zero. Anyone else? Oh, yeah, it's zero, man. I'll be telling you how to increase it. 851, nice. 881, okay, that's nice. Zero, okay. So Aditya Manish, are you? What is Coin? Okay, so Coin is here to tell you the developer experience in open source, how monetizing works. So I think so. Organizers, you can share the link over here. If anyone don't know the site or like just forgot the site, they can visit and they can see their rank. Yes, Quine is like GitHub only. It's like kind of GitHub because we are taking the details from GitHub only. But we are here to make the developer experience more good. Okay. By telling I have told a lot of features. You can add your repo. You can get it community reviewed. You can do the monetizing part. You get the dev rank thing. You get a lot of widgets. On those widgets, like you can like add in your readme and you can make it more interactive. I'll be sharing you that widgets as well, because at the end GitHub readme I appreciate to see. So is hosting free? Yes. Coin is free for all. We don't charge anything from a consumer. It's free for everyone. You can come, you can contribute, you can upload your projects on maintainer, you can monetize. It's totally free. We don't take any charges. Don't worry. Hosting as in DSC. Uh, if I say KK is asking hosting free at Coin. Hosting, what do you mean? Hosting site or hosting WhatsApp projects we do on GitHub.io thing? You are asking. Because if you are seeing this, that's totally GitHub, because we are just linked with GitHub and we are just making the developer experience more good. Okay. See, about projects, you build a project. At the end, your project will be added via GitHub only. Okay, so the link that you added, so GitHub is here, is the platform, is the foundation where you add projects, you get a lot of things. But Coin, what Coin is doing, Coin is helping to make the developer experience more good by its UI UX, by adding your projects over here. The community like comment your projects over here, by monetizing, by ledger boards, so that you can tell that yes, this is my dev rank, and through this dev rank you can showcase everywhere. This, yes, this is my rank in the open source. Okay, you can have your profiles. If you see, oh, this is like a profile, you can, it will act like a portfolio in your CV. So there are like a lot of features that Coin is working on. and we appreciate feedback. Like if you want this kind of features needed, we'll work on that. We'll bring that feature. Okay. Okay. So so what are the benefits of Coin over GitHub? Benefits of Coin is, what is the main perspective of open source? At the end, open source people are adding on GitHub. What GitHub is giving you? GitHub is giving you the hosting perspective. It gives you how to code, but Coin is helping you to Coin is helping you. Okay, guys, right now just stop. I'll just answer his question. Then you can just type your comment. Okay. So you have uploaded your project in GitHub. Then you add your project on Coin. Yes. After this, the reputation. GitHub never gives you reputation. GitHub never gives you reputation. It only gives you badges. Okay. Coin gives you reputation. From the reputation, you can play the monetizing part as well. From where you can really earn money. Okay. That's the main USP of Coin. Why not monetizing part? That's why in the site, when you go on Coin, it has written build and reputation, the developer thing. Just read that line. Then you get my point, what I'm able to say over here. Okay. So um so I would like so I would like to know, like, guys, just log in on Coin, just tell your rank. I've seen many of you are having zero, many of you are having 881. Anyone else, just type. Don't feel shy. Just tell what's your rank. Just log in on Coin, on top. They've rank over here. I'll scroll my mouse over here. This, you will get your rank. Yes, I'll be telling you how the tips and all. For the zeros, those who have the zero thing, just open Coin, click over here. Okay, you will get a box over here. You will be able to see a blog. Those who have zero dev rank, you'll be able to see a blog. Just open that blog. That one of our devils of in UK have made that blog. How your dev rank can be improved. Okay, because my dev rank is not zero, so it will not be showcased to me. But those who have zero, over here, a blog will be written. In that blog, you will be getting the tips and all, how you can increase your dev rank. Right now, dev rank is taking 7 days time to get updated, but team is working on to get it updated uh, every day. Like after 24 hours, it get updated. Okay, so guess okay. Anita, don't tell me the rank, just tell me the score. Like your 4 is the rank or 4 is the score. Because if I go to the 4 is the rank, 4 is someone else over here, index 0. Tell me the Dev rank, not the this rank. I'm saying this rank. Because the higher number you have, the higher ledger board or score you have. Just tell your 0, okay? Those who have zeros, just go over here. Over here, you will find a blog. Just open that blog. Baptiste has written one blog. Just read that blog. Over here, you will get to know how you can increase your Dev rank. Much appreciated. Those who have zero, don't worry. We are here to help you. Okay. So just go to the thing that I've told and you can see. Okay. Anyone else who would like to just tell you Dev rank? Anyone else who would like to write or speak? Unable to see my rank. Like what is coming in that? Is it coming dash or is it coming zero? To see the Dev rank, just log in on coin.sh. Nothing as such. Like, what is it showing? Like, I'll be helping you out if any issues coming. This is the site, guys. You can go and you can tell you the rank over here. It's totally associated with your GitHub. That the way GitHub gets upgrade based on your way of contributing projects and all, your Dev rank also gets upgraded. A beginner not having project, should I log in on Coin? Yeah, you can log in on Coin, but if you don't have any project, I prefer work on any language, build any project, and based on that, your dev rank will also getting updated. based on your GitHub. I think so. You have a new account on GitHub, if I'm not wrong. Based on that, you can like tell only the rank over the folks, not mine. Like, can we elaborate? Like, only the rank over the folks, not mine. Like what? Like when you logging on, I think when you logging on Coin, what it is showing? Like it is showing something zero, or it is showing something else. Prasad, can we
Adit-
invite Aditya to the if he is able
yeah,
to?
yeah. Aditya, if you want, just raise your hand and
I'll
speak
be
up.
happy to help in this case.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
Aditya.
Aditya, I
Go
guess
ahead.
you can turn on your mic, I guess.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Uh, Sir, actually, I'm not able to see my rank over the like in the right side. I'm not able to see. I mean,
What is coming? Is it
I'm,
coming zero or dash?
sir, dash it is showing.
Dash coming. Is your GitHub new?
Yes, it is new.
New have you have not added any project or done any contribution, right?
No, sir.
You are in first year.
Sorry, sir.
You are in first year or second year?
I ended first year, sir.
First year. Perfect. Got it. So now just go to the click
Sir,
on the
apart
design.
from that, sir, in the coin when I clicked, there is two options, sir, like coin and quest. In that coin, I found that only the rank of the other folks, not mine. I'm unable to
Because
see my
right now
rank.
your GitHub is new. Okay, you've not contributed anything. You've not added any projects. That's why it's coming dash. Because the competition is just till now calculating your current number. Okay, that's why as I is it new, is it zero? That's why I can say it's zero because you are new to GitHub. You are doing a lot of contributions. So just go to here, click on here. You will see the box over here. You will get a blog. Click on the blog,
That
and
box
over
is not
here,
showing there.
blog is not showing. I'll share
Yes.
the blog with the team after the workshop, and then you can just you can see and you can increase your dev rank. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Don't
Sure.
worry, side is good. You might have a new ID. That's why with the zero projects and contribution, that's why it might be showing zero.
All right.
Anyone else would like to share your rank?
If you
Anyone else?
guys have any doubt also, you can raise your hand and we'll
Those who
allow.
have zero, I'm happy to help you. Just go to the box. You will get a blog over here of Dev 2. I'll also share. Let me just find out the blog once if I'm able to. Let me just find out the blog once because it's not might be not be showing in my ID because I have like more than zero. Just hold on for a minute, guys. Sorry for the hold. Let me just find it out. I'll just find. I'll just share with you the blog soon. Okay. I'm just asked my devil in UK to share me the blog. Okay. Let me just type him once. Sure. Okay. Once you share me, I'll definitely share with you all. Okay. So do you find the blog once? Let us inform. Yes, I will let you inform. Don't worry. That's the thing. Like the contribution is zero and you are not adding project. That's why it's coming. That don't worry. Okay. Also, what I'll do, I'm just sharing you the Discord of Coin once. You might share a lot of Discord over here. Let me just share with you. You can happy to contact me. You can happy to connect with Coin team. Okay, and for the track and when you upload any project, you can tag me on Coin, and I will be happy to help you. Organizers, you can share with the participants if they face any issue in Coin. I'll be there 24/7. Okay, and team is also there. I'll be happy to help you. And now the last thing, not the least, that's the widgets. Like we all make a lot of GitHub readmes, and we would like to enhance those things. So these are some readmes based on my GitHub. Right now, those are beginners. It might showing that not enough data and all because you're not added any projects or so. So you can just copy the code. You can add in your readmes, either in light mode, dark mode, anything you can do. Okay, and based on that, you can make your GitHub readme more interactive, and through this you can like what happens in GitHub readme, like we need to again update the things. But over here, when you copy the code and add over there on real-time basis, whenever your GitHub gets upgraded via repo, contributing anything, so the widgets will also get updated. You can add your MetaMask, can connect your Stack Overflow account, a lot of things. Okay, so this is all about Coin. The maintainers are guessing how to upload. You go to add repo. Just saying again, if someone has joined late, you can select your repo, you can add your git score, and then you can submit the repo. Okay, so this is about Coin, about the monetizing thing. You can just fill this form with your GitHub IDs and all. Okay, and I'm looking forward to like see a lot of good projects on Coin. And yes, allotment is already done for the 4 to 5 teams, winners of the track. And I think so. For more details, I'll be sharing with the organizers about the track details and all. You can upload your projects. You can do a lot of things. And if you have any questions, you can ask.
If you have any question, guys, you can just raise your hand and our team will unmute you. Or you can drop in the chat box also.
Any questions, anyone?
Okay. Okay, Jay. Meanwhile, I would like to ask some of the questions we have collected from the form distributed among our community.
Sure,
Is that will that be okay? Yeah.
sure. Go ahead.
Yeah. Just give me. Okay. So someone has asked, Jay, I am a beginner. Hackodisa 3.0 is gonna be my first hackathon. What will you suggest to what will you suggest to build project? Basically, he wants to ask what his project submission on Hackodisa 3.0 can.
So, like, if you're building in a project, I'll suggest see what sort of idea you are building. Like, find a problem and then find a solution. Because without problem, you cannot make a solution directly. That would be my advice. Just find the problem which you think is suitable in the society, which can stand out in the society. Okay, and then based on that, just start solving and build your a great project in the hackathon.
Okay, one more. When will I start get? Yeah, someone said when will I start getting money from my skills?
Money from my skills. Okay,
Yeah.
so for that, is that I think so might be in first year. So see, don't run for money as of now. I'll say run for learning and all. Learn for learning and all. And over here, like when you start contributing, when you have a good suitable dev rank, you'll be automatically eligible for the monetizing, and then you can start do the development part. Okay. As of now, focus on your learning contributions. Use GitHub, through your dev rank, and then go for the monetizing because a beginner cannot able to solve some tricky questions because the monetizing quest will have a good level like you are solving in corporates when you solve the situations in jobs. Okay,
Okay. One more. Okay. Someone said I have built many personal projects on GitHub, but whenever I take out others open source project, I just get lost in the repos and I cannot get anything out of it. Yeah.
like how, like we getting lost, like
Okay.
based on code, based on what, like getting lost where, like see if they are also building open source projects, he is also building open source projects, so where
Yeah.
getting lost, like I would like to know that personally where he's getting lost, like what
Okay.
sort of projects he's building, because at the end if your foundation is strong, then only you'll be able to more contribute in open source, because open source will be giving jobs, has started giving jobs by open source. Unable to accept invite of Discord. Like Manish, which invite you're seeing? That's the Discord coin link. Like which one you are seeing? How to prove the dev rank? I'll be sharing you the let me just see if I've got. I'm just waiting. Okay. Once I get it, Prasad, I'll share with you and you can share with
Yeah.
them. I'll
Yes,
share you
yes.
the blog, I think. So when you click on the Devrank box, I'm again saying when you go to click on Devrank thing, you will see a link written over that how to improve your Devrank. Those were zero. And from there you can start improving. I'll also share with the organizers. You will also see. You can also ask them. Coin Discord, Coin Team, and can also share you the you can say
Yeah.
the blog and all. And if you have any issues, any project ideas, anything you can do. And also we have some week wins segment on Discord, where whatsoever you are doing in weekly basis apart from coin in GitHub, like mostly in open source, you can just share it in that channel. Okay. So yeah, any other questions like I would like to answer?
Okay, one more question, Jay. Is DevRank important to win track prizes of Quine on Hack Odisha?
No, the rank is not important. The simple eligibility, you add your project on GitHub, then you go to maintainers, and each and every team member, if you are in a team, has to upload that project on maintainers by adding their repo, and then we'll be like a judge after the hackathon, and we'll be shipping the merch to them. Devrank is not important. Devrank, why I'm telling you the Devrank thing, because it will help you to showcase like where you stand out. Those who are first years, don't worry when you code, when you start coding and all, your Devrank will surely improve. Right now, it is only taking 7 days, but soon it will be taking 24 hours. We are just working on that. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just focus on more and more learning and all.
Okay, Aditya is asking how to improve problem solving skills and learning fast.
Problem solving skills, as in like what sort of code?
Yeah, most probably.
So I say go to lead code. That's the basic thing I can say. Solve more and more different problems. Go to HackerOut, go to HackerRank. A lot of things are there. But, or I can say, go and find beginner repos on Coin. There are a lot of repos. Solve basic repos that you feel like. Okay, any other questions, guys, if you would like to ask?
Okay.
Yes, Manish.
सर आपने जो डिस्कॉर्ड का लिंक शेयर किया था उसमें अनेबल टू जॉइन दिखा रहा है.
Hold on. So, wait, why it's coming able to join? And do you have Discord link and all? No, it's working. I have seen. Just check it out. I've again seen. Link is
Yeah,
working. Yeah, link
it's
is working.
okay.
It's working. Just check your net once. Or try another ID, because Discord. I have taken this from Discord only.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question, guys?
Also, we'll share the links, Discord links again in our community, and you can join it
No
completely.
worries. Perfect. Okay then. So it was nice like connecting you all, because I have also have another workshop now.
Okay.
One more hackathon. Okay. So I'm looking forward to some great projects. Looking forward you add on coin, and looking forward to send some exclusive modes to top 4 to 5 team members. Like either it's a team of one or team of four. I'm looking forward to have a good projects to see on coin. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Jay. Thanks for giving your time to our people.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And for any issues, if you want me to connect, you can join the Discord and you can tag me.
Yeah.
I'll be surely able to help you throughout the hackathon if you want face any issue on coin.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. So nice meeting you all, because now I have to go to another workshop now. So anything else you can surely connect on that is Connie. You can tag me. I can happy to help you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, so let's wrap up the session. I hope it will be very helpful. If you have anything, if you have any doubts or anything, you can like let us know. Any of the organizers, or you can tag us on WhatsApp groups, or you can also get into our Discord and ask more about it. Throughout the Hack Odisha, we will be open to help you on anything you want. Okay. So bye guys. We also have a session on 8 p.m. It will be really helpful for you. Do make sure to join it. Yeah. Bye. Everyone just sent a like.